everyone, and welcome to another week of Washi Wednesday. This week is a special week because we are celebrating Juneteenth this week. And so I thought I would spotlight a washi that is from a company that is Black owned. I have this washi from a company called Melanin Magic, and they have this beautiful African print washi. I have it in blue and I have it in orange. And I just thought it would be great to spotlight one of these washis this week in my Washi Wednesday videos. So let me peel it out so you can see just how nice the pattern is. It's such a soothing pattern. I love the simplicity of it and the shapes. And so I have a sticker sheet in mind from Paper Doll Company that's a little geometric, which is what this reminds me of, that I think I'm going to go pull. So let's go get our markers, our stickers, grab our notebook. So I think for this washi, I'm probably going to use blue or red, since those are Juneteenth colors. I don't have a color that's quite this dark, so we're going to hope for the best. And then, like I said, I had this is the one I was thinking of because it's red and white, but there was one more that I thought would be a good, see like the geometric shapes? Yeah, so I thought, and isn't she just the cutest? So I think one of these is going to be what we go with. We're going to have our washi, we have our markers. What else do we need? We need our ruler, we need our tweezers, and I think that's it. We need a brush pen. Let's grab one of those just in case, and let's get into it. Okay, we had 2 sticker sheets. I'm not sure if I want to use the thicker one or the thinner one yet. Color-wise, it might be easier to go with this, but I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I just really I like her vibe. I like her vibe. I like this whole 90s technology vibe. So I think I'm gonna go with this one because I don't know, it just seems a little bit closer to what I'm looking for today, and I'm excited. So we have all of our supplies and we are ready to get started. So let's see what we can make. Thanks for joining, and see you all next week.